Hey guys, welcome to our channel. It's Joe and Vicky, your online fitness and dating coach. And the topic of today's video is going to be how to be the man that every woman wants. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and click that like button because it does us a huge favor as far as supporting our channel. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Hey guys, welcome back. So let's go ahead and get into this topic and figure out what women really want. So guys, a lot of the guys I talk to are under the impression that women, the only thing they want is a guy with a lot of money or a guy that's 6 foot tall and super dark and handsome. I always hear that, tall, dark, and handsome.
What does that mean?
Making six figures, being well built, having a lot of muscle. And I can tell you guys that's truly not what they want. Now that's the outcome of a product that they want, but that's truly not what they want. Would they like a guy that is successful? Of course, you know, who wouldn't versus a guy that's not. But there's other characteristics that are far more important than just money, height, you know, athletic build, and pretty much all the 6 X's, I think is what they call that. You know, the 6-figure income, the 6 foot tall, all the 6 X's there. You know, but what do women truly want?
Your purpose, that you have a purpose for yourself.
So guys, rich people all have what in common? They all have a purpose. So that's truly what attracts women, is the purpose that they have, because you cannot get, usually successful guys, you cannot get them off their purpose. If it's their business, if it's their career, they're very focused on that. And girls ultimately find that very, very attractive. You know, I have a lot of friends that are, you know, that say, oh, you know, girls don't like me because I don't have a lot of money. And I'm like, no, that's not it. What do you want to do with your life? What's your vision? What's your mission? I don't know. I don't know what I want to do. That's a huge turnoff, and girls find that very unattractive. But if you're starting your own business and, you know, even if you have nothing and you're starting from ground up, girls find that attractive because you're focused on your purpose. They want to be part of your journey. So imagine this, guys, when it comes to purpose, and this is the analogy I'm going to use, is you got 3 boats on an island, and there's a girl on the island. She's on the beach right now, and she has to decide which boat she's going to get into. The first boat goes nowhere. It just sits right there on the island and doesn't move. She can get on the boat, she can have a few drinks, but the boat's not going to go anywhere. It's just going to sit right there. The second boat is going to take her around to different islands, but you cannot get out of the boat. It's just gonna say, oh, there's this island, there's a waterfall over here, there's a volcano over here, and it's gonna take you, I'm in Hawaii for some reason. It's gonna take you to islands, and you can sightsee, but that's all you can do. The third boat is going to take you from island to island, but it's going to let you do whatever you want on every island. So you're gonna go to this island, you're gonna go dancing on the beach. This island's going to take you to the bar, and then you're gonna go have lunch and brunch over here. You're gonna go sightseeing and look at the volcanoes. Which boat do you think she wants to be on?
3.
Boat number 3. Girls want to have fun, and they want a guy to lead that way, lead that direction. Girls want to be part of your journey. And this is the analogy that I use when it's talking about purpose. If you have a purpose, girls want to be a part of that journey. It's just like when I met Vicky here, is you know, we started getting into the fitness thing, and our purpose now is to help you guys find what we've found in fitness and in relationships, you know. And we enjoy filming videos together, we enjoy going to the gym together, but we both have a purpose when it comes to that. So it creates a stronger bond. So girls want to be a part of your journey. They don't want to be in your business, but they want to be there to support, watch you grow, watch things happen. Because it's interesting. It's a love story. It's not something that's already created. So guys, focus on your purpose and don't let girls move you away from your mountain. The heck do I mean by mountain? That's our next topic, our next thing that we're going to bring up to point out is be the mountain. What does that mean? So guys, this talks about feminine and masculine energy. So guys need to be the mountain, which is masculine energy, and women is the weather, is what I like to call it. They're the wind, the rain, the tornadoes, the hurricanes.
The sunny side.
What happens when rain, snow, tornadoes, hurricanes hit a mountain? Nothing. The mountain's going to be there the next day. The mountain never moves. It's a mountain, and that's what guys need to be, is the mountain. They cannot play into feminine energy. So when a girl's testing you, when a girl's not calling you on time, or calling you back the next day, or calling you back when you want her to call you back, she's testing your strength as a man. She's testing to see if she can get you off of your purpose. Now, biologically, women have to do this because they have to marry a guy or be with a guy that is able to protect them, that is secure, that's confident, emotionally stable. So girls will constantly test this. And if you start to play into the feminine energy and you start to chase and you start to call her like, oh, you haven't called me in 3 days, and you start to play in the girl's role, she's going to become less and less attracted, and she's going to lose interest very quickly. Whereas a guy that's in his focus on his purpose, he plays in his masculine role. He doesn't know when she's going to call or text, and he doesn't care because he's busy doing what he does. He's busy focused on his passion and his purpose. And it's not just work. I mean, purpose could be, personal development, going to the gym, being the best version of yourself that you can possibly be. But a girl's not going to make him stray away from that path. He's a train that's moving forward, and he's not getting off that track. He's just going. And a girl wants to be a part of that, not with a guy that starts to play into the feminine energy and starts to, become girly and cry and, call her up. Hey, you haven't called me in 24 hours. What's wrong? Like, F you then. That he starts to play into a feminine role. He starts chasing. Bad. Girls want that guy that's stable and focused on their purpose, and that is a solid mountain. And we'll talk more about that in a video of how to be that specific type of guy. But moving on to the next thing is emotional stability. This is what you brought up.
Emotional endurance. It's key. It's just how you handle situations. Life isn't perfect. You're always going to have curveballs. But again, it's how you focus. Do you see the cup half full or half empty? It's up to you. And women love someone who's stable, because obviously women have this roller coaster, just like you mentioned, we're like the wind. And so we need that mountain to hold us together.
These mountains.
Oh, yeah.
Just kidding. No, but that is completely true, and I was just talking to a friend literally 2 days ago, and yeah, unfortunately he got off his purpose. He's been getting dicked around by a girl. The girl wasn't showing him any respect, not calling him, hanging out with other guys. He found out a lot of things, and he stopped going to work. He hasn't been going to the gym. He's been calling her, trying to figure out what she's doing, where she is, and it's causing his brain to go all over the place. His emotional stability is off the wall. How can a girl be in love with you if you aren't set and center, and you aren't focused on your purpose, and you have no stability? And that's where he is right now. And I told him the only way to bring that back and to get the respect back is you got to focus on your purpose, on your becoming the best version of yourself as possible, and not caring about the outcome or the result of what she's doing. That's second. That's not even going to matter. As long as he keeps his focus and his ground and becomes that mountain, then 98% of the time they come crawling back, because they need that in their life. When you're both unstable, it's both feminine energy, and the only thing that can happen from there is they have to separate, and they have to find a guy that has that mountain type mentality, that stability, because if they don't, they're out. Girls need that. So, and then last but not least, be the best version of yourself that you can possibly be. You guys are watching our videos. We love making these, and obviously this is a self-help type video. We focus on relationships, and we also focus on fitness. So if you guys do have questions on that, you guys can definitely click the link, and we'll talk about that after this video. But becoming the best version of yourself that you can possibly be. Why would a girl want to be with somebody, anything less? If you want to attract high quality women, you need to be reading all the time, at least an hour a day, to better improve your knowledge. You need to be going to the gym, anything that you can do to better yourself. Focus on your business, let your business grow, improve your style, right? There's a lot of different things that you can do right now to really become the best version of yourself as possible and ultimately attract the type of woman that you want in your life. The better you build yourself and the better version of yourself you can be, the higher level of woman you're going to attract, because it's going to build your confidence, it's going to build your stability, it's going to do a lot of things to improve your life. So be the best version of yourself as possible. Women find that super, super attractive.
One more thing.
Add one more thing.
Be a man of your word.
Be a man of your word. What do you mean by that?
Well, if you say something, you got to do it, right? You got to deliver. So if it's a matter of, let's say, I'm going to work out 5 days a week, you better go to the gym and work out 5 days a week, because we see that. And so if you're not doing what you're saying, then how do we know that you're going to be, this is going to be a trend, ongoing trend, if I date you, right? And this is just something simple, but it can go on to other different topics. So again, be a man of your word.
Be a man of your word. And what that means to me is, guys, a lot of guys do this, a lot of talk, and it's very easy to catch on to. Girls will pick up on that sooner rather than later, usually in a couple of weeks, maybe a month. But if you say you're going to do something, do it. And yes, girls do love guys with confidence, not cockiness, but they don't want a guy that's all talk. Action is key, guys. If you see a girl you like, you take action. You don't beat around the bush. You're proud to say, walk up to her, hey, I have a purpose right now. You know, my purpose is to go get this girl's number. My purpose is to go run my business. You do what you want when you want, and you lead your own way. Don't follow people. You know, that's the alpha male characteristic. But when you say you're going to do something, you do it and you take action on it. That's vital as far as being an attractive trait for women. Mm-hmm. So guys, if you guys like this video, like I said, hit the subscribe, hit the like, because that definitely supports us. We love filming these videos for you guys and helping you guys with your fitness and relationships. But we also have a link for a free consultation. So if you guys are struggling in your relationship, you're going through a breakup, you need advice on what to do or how to handle things, everybody's a little bit unique. So we do have a free consultation below where you can click that link and schedule a time to talk with Vicky or I. We specialize in the same thing, but different things. So whichever one you feel comfortable with, we'd love to chat with you and hear your story. But other than that, guys, thank you for watching our video, and we look forward to seeing you guys next time.